What's up, guys? We're here at Disney World at the Magic Kingdom Park. We're gonna see how this one's gonna be. I've heard this one's more like rides. So vamos a ver cómo está aquí. Eddie, ¿estás listo?
Listo.
Vámonos. ¿You, Alex?
Ready.
Todos estamos listos. Aquí está toda la familia. Y estamos listos para ver qué viene. Cuáles rides están chidas. Pero bueno, vamos a darle. We're on the ferry to go to Magic Kingdom. I don't know how long it's gonna take us, but I'll see you guys when we get over there, okay? We're here at Magic Kingdom. Just got here from the ferry. We're gonna see how it's gonna be in the rides. I don't know how long the waits are gonna be here. Yesterday it was pretty bad, but still a pretty fun experience. So, vamos a ver. How are you, Joanna?
I'm good.
How does it feel being in the Magic Kingdom?
It feels really nice.
This is the one you wanted to go to, right?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Is there a lot of rides?
I hope so.
You hope so?
Yeah.
We're gonna see. I'm kind of scared of rides.
I'm
But
scared of heights.
we're gonna try to get onto everything,
Every single one.
but it's whatever. All right. Well, see you guys later. We'll show you guys the rides, and then anything, maybe little foods that we get, just to give you guys a little experience of what we had. Okay. See you guys right now. There it is. That's the castle. There's another little park on this side. We're gonna check all of those out for you guys.
Oh, let's walk through the castle and then come back on. Do that right. I want to do that. Portrait or
It's Tomorrowland, bro. Hell yeah. Ready for that one?
Yeah.
Yeah? That one looks pretty cool, right?
Yeah. That's scary too.
I mean, it doesn't look so bad. As long as we don't cut out.
I know. Or throw up.
Alright.
It's literally like right there.
Yeah, it's just true. Where are we going, Mom?
We're going to Space Mountain.
Space Mountain is kind of like, well, like the Guardians of the Galaxy, el que fuimos ayer. So vamos a ver cómo está ese. Y luego a lo mejor nos entramos al Buzz Lightyear. 55-minute wait. How long is the wait, Alex?
55 minutes. No, go ahead.
55 minutes? Okay. Space Mountain it is, guys. We'll see you guys there. Space Mountain.
Bye.
Alright guys, so we went to Space Mountain. As you can see, it's right there. They told us we had to wait an hour first, and then we could go back in there and then just go into the lightning lane. For the meantime, we're gonna go ride some go-karts, and then we'll tell you guys how that's gonna be. It should be fun. I love cars. Go-karts are amazing. Who's gonna win in the go-karts?
Me, like always.
That's what they always say.
Oh, they're actual go-karts.
So they are actual go-karts. Oh yeah, there they are. These are the go-karts, the victory circle. We thought we were gonna race, but unfortunately we cannot race them. So we're all over. But maybe next time.
I think I'm faster walking.
What?
I think I'm faster walking in these things.
Yeah. It's all good. I mean, we'll see the experience anyways, and we'll tell you guys how that is. But we're all ready, nonetheless. Giovanna. Pues sí nos gustó, pero ¿lo vamos a hacer otra vez? No, porque ya ganamos. Ya ganamos o no se necesita que hacerlo otra vez.
DJ Khaled, all we do is win.
All we do is win. Nosotros nomás ganamos. Bueno pues, ahorita cuando nos bajemos, vamos a ir a otro y le vamos a enseñar otro más. Vamos a darle de todos modos. ¿Qué tal?
A ver qué rollo, ya hace muchos años que no me subo a este.
Unos 40 años, ya tenemos. You guys ready? Ready for space. Come on, vámonos. No. Alright guys, this is Space Mountain. We're gonna see how this is. Let's do it. We just got off Space Mountain. It was a pretty fun ride. Pretty cool. Let's get off first. Alright guys, what did you guys think about it? Look! There we are. Alex, Eddie, y ahí está el Martín. Compita. Híjole. No, pues está bien. So, pues ya supieron lo que es estar en el Space Mountain. Ahí están los jefes. Mire. Vamos a preguntarles cómo les fueron. ¿Cómo te fue, Joana? ¿Cómo te fue, mom?
Good. It was awesome.
¿Sí? ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué onda? ¿No? ¿Y ustedes qué? Fire. Ya. No, pues a todos les gustaron el ride de Space Mountain. A ver, vamos a ver a cuál más vamos a ir.
Whoa, what is that?
Tron style. Just a gift shop here in the Space Mountain.
That was cool.
¿Qué sí? ¿Te
Yeah.
gustó?
Yeah.
Qué bueno. ¿Lo ves otra vez?
Hell yeah.
Okay. Aquí vamos a estar en el Tron. Ready? So, how do you feel about Tron 1? It looks pretty cool, right?
Yeah, I'm really excited.
So we're pretty excited about this one, as you can see. These are the rails right here. All of that. All of it. And then that's probably another rail over here. All this big white part, probably all the rails. So we're gonna see how that is. I'll tell you guys about it after. If I can record throughout the ride, I will. And if not, then we'll tell you after.
All ties.
See, these things are like all over their clothes and everything.
Attention users, you are about to
Room for more. That's right, folks. If there's room on that floor, there is room for more.
Team Blue, welcome to the grid. Proceed to gates.
Alright guys, we just got off the Tron Ride. Okay Alex, ¿cómo estuvo? It was pretty cool. It's probably one of my favorite ones. I think I still like Guardians of the Galaxy a little more. But even then it was still pretty cool. How was it, Eddie?
Best ride.
Best ride?
Best ride.
That's cool, that's cool. How was it, guys?
It's pretty cool.
Cool?
I like it. I like it. I always like to ride it again. You are, but I'm not.
We're gonna do it again for the second time. We're gonna ride it later. I wish I could record. Maybe I'll be able to. We'll see. It was a nice experience. See you guys later though. These are the bikes. On bikes, once you pull them, seat goes down.
Grab the other one, the top one.